All right, what's up, y'all? Well, decided to do something a little bit different. Instead of going deer hunting, we're gonna do a trout catch and cook for y'all. I don't know, I needed to do something a little bit different. I mean, I've been seeing them, seen decent one or two, and then a bunch of small ones. And the decent ones never really gave me a shot. Gonna switch gears here. It's a nice cool day. It's like 32, 33 right now. See if we can't catch us a trout. It's been a while since I've been trout fishing. Hopefully we can get some. Get one at least. This is a decent spot right here. It's usually fished pretty heavy, but with it being this cold, I don't know how many trout anglers are actually going to be out. I don't know if that was a bite or what. I just think I was reeling too slow. Not looking like we're having much action here. We move on. Gonna work back this way. Cast up into this little run right here. There we go. Oh, there's... I just had one like swim right at me right here. He came out from that little hole right there and came right into the sun and then darted back that way. Yeah, I might have to throw a fly on. Just let it float down. Oh, I threw another bushes over there. Got it. All right, going with this pink wormish looking thing. If you don't know, I don't know the technical terms to these, and it'll be all right. This is what I'm going with. This is it right here. This is the trial run. Wish I had my fly rod. Yeah, now I wish I wasn't lazy this morning. It'll be fine. We're gonna get it done on this. Come on, eat the freaking thing. I mean, he's just smacking it. Oh, I definitely missed him that time. Oh. He might have got stuck on that one. He tugged on her pretty good. Oh, this freaking fish is giving me fits right now. Oh, I got him. Oh, finally. Excuse me, sir. Oh, caught one. Right on time too. It looks like my fly popped out. I'm gonna tie this and get him set in the water so I can figure out if he's legal or not. Finally. Yeah, he was smaller, and that's what made it so hard to get him. All right, y'all, we're gonna get him measured real quick to see if we can keep him. Oh, that's cold. He is 8.5 inches, so he is legal, and we are gonna keep him. Well, we got lunch at least. All right, he's been taken care of. See if we can catch another one. Fun fact, literally right here in this spot's the first place I've ever caught a fish on a fly rod. Roughly about where I caught him at, actually. Oh, I missed one. Here in a sec, I'm gonna start fishing my way back up toward where I started. That might be a fish. Nope, that's a fish. I missed it. Yeah, that was a fish. They're just freaking pecking at it. Not even hitting it. Just like pop, 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 pop. They're just nipping at its head. Cause that fish that I caught, I mean, I barely caught him. He came off the hook in the net. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, how did I miss that? Okay, here we go. It's happening again. 1.2 billion casts to catch one fish. That's another fish up there. Maybe a rock. No, there's a fish. Got him. It's not huge. Oh, he came off. Gotta keep him pinned tighter. All right, well, let's go get everything ready for lunch. All right, y'all, I'm gonna clean this fish real quick. We're gonna get this trout seasoned up with this smoked sea salt. It's a Danish Viking smoked sea salt. I got it from Salt Traders and I've been really wanting to try it out. Season it pretty generously, or I'm gonna try to at least. I'm gonna have to season it in the pan. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just season it in the pan. Make my life a whole bunch easier. Other than the inside. I'll do the inside. Hope there's enough gas in this thing. Yeah, I had to stop at a gas station and get this. Canola oil in the pan. I'm glad I was able to come out here and, you know, catch a fish. Make me a good lunch. It's good to change it up a little bit. Been hunting super hard. Daniel and I both have. And just need a little bit of a change. I mean, it's still super cold out here. I can still see my breath really well. But this was fun. I'm excited to try this smoked salt on the trout. There's a little sizzle. This thing's not wanting to flip for me. Just love me, huh? Give me some love here. I am butchering this fish right now. Just trying to get the flip over. All right, I'm gonna call it done. All right. We're gonna give her a go. Definitely done. See if I can pick out some of these Y bones. At least some of the bigger ones. That's pretty good, actually. I didn't get much smoky with that bite, but I mean, I think that looks pretty darn good. Definitely got to figure out a way to get that salt infused better. I might have to put it in a grinder, like a salt grinder. But I mean, it's pretty solid. Man, this is good. This was a good change of pace today. I'm gonna finish the rest of this fish. I'm gonna tear on out of here.